Welcome back, students. So as we proceed further, I want to clarify you some terms related to this carpentry shop which are often being confused or being used interchangeably, but is there are some differences in these terms. So first one is wood. So as we all know, the wood is the material which we obtain from trees. So when we convert this wood into engineering usable form or engineering purpose, we prepare this wood for engineering purpose, then it is known as timber. So we prepare timber from wood after proper seasoning process. So the next term is lumber or lumbering. So lumber is the mass scale cutting and collection and transportation of wood from the forest to the sawmills. So the journey of the wood from cutting to transporting to initial sawing is known, the whole process is known as lumbering process. So the next common term which we use is veneers. Veneers are the decorative pieces or the decorative surfaces, or you can say thin surfaces, which we attach or fix on the coarse wood to get more aesthetic value or more appealing value from the wood. So these are some decorative thin pieces of wood. As I mentioned, seasoning process can be done with two broadly classified methods. First one is natural seasoning. As I have told, we have to keep them in a proper warehouse as shown in this figure. So we stack the wood. The stacks are shown here in a shed, and we let it dry for 6 months or 1 year depending upon the type of wood, weather conditions, and the applications for which we are using the wood or the timber. And the second process is kiln seasoning or the artificial seasoning, in which we use a kiln, in which we use a blower. A fuel is used to blow out hot air into the specially made shed, in which exhaust fans are mounted on the top of the shed. So the stacks are formed in the same manner as we have done in the natural seasoning, but the hot air is blown through the shed, and this process is obviously more costly, but this is required when the weather conditions are not good, or in extremely cold weather conditions like we face in European countries or in North American countries, or where we want to use wood immediately after cutting. We don't want to devote more time in the seasoning process. So this method is used, or this method is also used where we are more particular or more concerned about the moisture content of the wood, and the application type of application, engineering application of the wood is very crucial. So from freshly cut tree, when we obtain timber, there are some defects which we can see in the wood. So we have to avoid these defects, like the defect which I am showing you is the knot here, or the knot present in this hardwood here. So these are the irregular patterns emerged in the wood during the growth of the tree. So here is the example of circular knot. So this appears in the wood when abnormal growth occurs. So here is the example of knots which can appear, and depending upon their shape it can be categorized into oval knot, circular knot, or line knot, irregular knot. And there are also other type of defects like ring gall, distortions, or like emergence of honeycomb structures in the wood. So these defects can appear during the growth of the tree or during the seasoning process if the seasoning is not done in the proper manner. So we have to avoid these types of defect. We have to saw away these defects because these can result in decreased strength and decreased durability, and the wood can become more prone to termite and borer attack. So we have to avoid these defects in our wooden structures. So we have to saw out the pieces of wood where these defects emerges. So that's all for the basic information about the working material. So the next video will appear about the basic working hand tools which we use in carpentry shop. Thank you.